Hey guys, how to refresh a Facebook account. Facebook is like refresh yourself, king, not the app. But here's how to force it. Refresh your feed, right? Pull down on the main page. Option B, reset app data without deleting account. So open up your settings, general, iPhone storage, Facebook, and just hit clear cache or offload the app, and then reinstall. Same thing goes for Android. Go to settings, apps, Facebook, storage, clear cache. Option C, log out and log back in. Go ahead to your Facebook, hit the menu at the bottom right, hit the settings gear at the top right, and what you're gonna do, go ahead to the settings gear, put the account center or meta, right? You can see account, just remove account and re-log in again. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.